I should get one more off the camera and we'll then go to the DGI, but here we have the Lund one. I go buy the liquor here, obviously. They're serving up some good old alcohol. More party barges, South Bay. They said it's the 20th day of January, 2024, the boat show. I guarantee it, they're making good money on alcohol here.
We almost sunk the pontoon.
Good bad boy. Not too bad a floor plan. I was down there already, so we're gonna go over here. There's tons of them. You want to buy a party barge? You have different options. You have a bunch. So. Doing the hard sell on these people. They're heavy as hell. You better have something to pull these with. But like I said, you literally pull them to your lake and then for storage. You have your own storage area. Get some of these big ones over here are huge.
Yeah.
Look at the different floor pan in here. Some nice stuff. Can't tell. Sit here in the chair. Oh, looks nice. Cruise right along. You can tell they got a bunch of them. Let's walk on down the stairs here. Here we go. I'll kill myself. Here we go. And they have the smaller ones over here. More of an open. You have different setup fees. You're talking 50 grand takeaway. These are small ones. These are kind of nice. These ones. Kind of the size I have. More room in the middle. There's a little captain. Mine's right in the middle. This is, like I said, you can find a lot of good party barges for different price ranges. And you can enjoy. Boat Dr. Marine. So you got all kinds of, right there, the party barge, 33 grand, that's sold. So there's so many different you can find. But you gotta use it every weekend, man. You gotta get out and use it. Bad boy. See, that's more of an open right here. These sun trackers are nice. You got docks over here. Oh, you got the big truck over here. So, the Denali.
You see the tower right there?
This is what you want right here, V8. Big dog. That sucker.
How are you doing today?
That's a luxury truck right there.
There's a big dog right here, Denali. I like it, but I don't need the diesel. That sucker. Oh yeah. That comes out. Very nice. Look at these bad boys. Oh. Look at the motor, look at them. It's nice. More party barges over here, as you can tell. And obviously get the docks. I don't know if I'll go to the camping show tomorrow or not, but I do want to. I think they have one coming up here. I think in February. But I'm shocked to have both going at the same time. Kind of takes away from each other because camping and boating go hand in hand outdoors. So Hurricane, a little smaller. It's kind of nice. Look at that bad boy. That sucker. I'll get 4 videos out of this. If it burns out on me, it burns out. I got my, like I said, my you got the old action. I like this. I don't have a mic for it. It'll be open mic, but still gets the job done. It's a nice camera. So anyways, go over here. More party barges. Kind of go over here to the Alumacraft. Gotta give them a little love. Kind of nice. These are fishing ones with your buddies. When you buy, is it the trailer come with the whole thing? Is it the whole package deal? Okay, I'm just curious. I'm going to talk about it. I might really ought to make sure, because sometimes I've seen them in a place and it will just be just a boat. It's like you buy an engine for me, a car tomorrow. Oh, by the way, the engine costs you more. I was just curious.
I got you.
I'm just talking. I want to know that. Good enough. Thank you. Appreciate it. So where's the main series? Right here where they put it in when you buy it, or what?
Steer with.
Okay. It's not okay. All right.
Yep.
This is mainly a fishing boat, not a family boat, not a party barge. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
You bet.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So that's kind of cool. I want to make sure I get that right. And then over here you got a bunch more party barges. Starcraft. Look at this bad boy. This one is, it can kind of hang out in. You got a bar stool. Your buddies can sit here. Oh my goodness. Sometimes they used to have grills on them. I have a grill on mine. Put a grill on there. So this is getting to the end of the battery. So we'll end it here pretty soon. So if it clicks off, it clicks off. You have so many different versions. These are nice ones too as well. Rebates. Yeah, well, you can see this is kind of cool. You can put a grill back here if you want to. They used to. You can go swimming off this bad boy. Steering wheel, the whole 9 yards. The old family truckster, huh?
Yeah.
What the heck, huh? So they're made for. I have one, I know. All I need is a grill. I put a grill on mine. That's all I need. They used to have grills on them. I have a grill on mine. You go out inside and grill. You can do portable grills. They're the best thing to put a grill on. I love party barges. We'll go back on down to end this video. All right. So anyways. We'll go back over here and look at these a little bit. We'll bust out the other one. So we'll keep going until it goes off. So anyways, these are our fishing ones, right? Like I said, family owned. That's your friend's getting this one. too cold to be. I've been videoed all week long. So, anyways, some big ass motors. Look at this bad boy. All the traffic's in the middle. So, anyways, there we are. I'm gonna take some more pictures of this camera, but hope you enjoyed the fourth one here. We'll go on another camera. Thanks.